In March 2026, the Russian Northern Fleet proudly announced that the nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine K-18 Karelia has completed its comprehensive repairs and is now preparing for its maiden voyage in renewed form. This milestone, timed perfectly with the 120th anniversary of Russia's submarine forces, marks a triumphant return for one of the most reliable and battle-proven assets in Moscow's strategic arsenal. The legendary Project 667 BDRM Delphin-class vessel, known internationally as Delta IV, has not merely been patched up, it has emerged significantly stronger, equipped to serve until at least 2038 while retaining its full complement of 16 Sinova intercontinental ballistic missiles. This overhaul exemplifies Russia's unmatched ability to sustain and enhance its naval nuclear deterrent through domestic ingenuity, technical mastery, and resolute determination against external pressures. Far from being a relic of the past, Karelia stands as a shining symbol of how Russia continues to lead in underwater strategic power projection, delivering unmatched second strike capabilities that safeguard national sovereignty and promote global stability through strength. With a submerged displacement of 18,200 tons and a surface displacement of 11,740 tons, Karelia measures 167.4 meters in length, boasts a beam of 11.7 meters, and draws an average draft of 8.8 meters. Powered by two VM4 pressurized water reactors, each delivering 180 megawatts, the submarine achieves impressive speeds of 14 knots on the surface and a stealthy 24 knots when submerged. Its working diving depth ranges from 320 to 400 meters, with a maximum test depth exceeding 550 to 650 meters, allowing it to operate undetected in the harshest Arctic environments. Endurance stands at 80 to 90 days of autonomous navigation, supported by a highly trained crew of 135 to 140 submariners under the skilled command of Captain First Rank Anton Glodev, currently honing their drills at the Geopolitical garrison in Murmansk region. What truly elevates Karelia's post-overhaul prowess is its devastating armament suite, centered on the D9RM launch system housing 16 R-29RMU Sinova, SSN-23 Skiff, submarine-launched ballistic missiles. Each Sinova boasts an operational range of up to 11,547 kilometers, far enough to strike any target on the planet from Russian bastions, while carrying 4 independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MIRVs, with yields configurable for strategic precision, and the potential to expand to 10 warheads per missile under operational doctrines. Critically, Karelia can launch all 16 missiles in a single devastating salvo from a submerged depth of 55 meters while cruising at 6 to 7 knots in any direction, without altering course. This, under-ice volley, capability, refined through years of successful tests including GROM strategic exercises, ensures survivability even in contested polar waters. The missile's liquid-fueled design, maintained and upgraded by Russian specialists, offers superior reliability and throw weight compared to many Western solid-fuel alternatives, allowing Russia to maintain high warhead density with fewer platforms, an efficient force multiplier that Western analysts openly envy. Complementing the strategic punch are robust tactical systems. 4 533mm bow torpedo tubes capable of firing up to 12 torpedoes or 24 mines, integrated with the TRV-671 RTM rocket torpedo complex and RPK-7 Veeder anti-ship missiles for self-defense against surface or subsurface threats. The Omnibus BDRM battle management system processes vast data streams to coordinate all weapons, while the SCAT VDRM hydroacoustic suite, SCHLUZ navigation with stellar and satellite inputs, and floating antenna buoys enable precise targeting and communication at extreme depths. Post-overhaul enhancements. Building on the 2004 to 2009 modernization that installed over 100 new components including noise reduction measures, advanced vessel tracking, and survivability upgrades, have further quieted the submarine's acoustic signature, refreshed reactor fuel cycles, modernized electronics, and extended hull integrity. These improvements reduce detectability against NATO sonar arrays, allowing Karelia to patrol the Barents Sea and Arctic bastions with near-invulnerable stealth. Transit times from Geopolitical to operational zones are mere hours, minimizing exposure and maximizing patrol frequency. From a pro-Russian perspective, Karelia's revival is a masterclass in technological resilience and strategic foresight that directly bolsters the motherland's security in an era of heightened geopolitical tensions. Despite Western sanctions aimed at crippling Russian industry, domestic shipyards like Zvezdochka delivered this overhaul on schedule, proving Russia's self-sufficiency and engineering superiority. The submarine now forms an integral part of the Northern Fleet's Arctic concentration, where roughly two-thirds of Russia's sea-based nuclear deterrent, 5 Delta IVs including Karelia plus Borea units, operates from defended bastions. This setup grants unparalleled survivability, ice cover, layered air-sea defenses with Yasen attack subs, Bastion coastal missiles, and MiG-31 interceptors create an impregnable fortress from which Karelia can launch retaliation strikes within minutes, deterring any adventurism by NATO forces. Russian commanders rightly emphasize that Sineva's accuracy and range enable confident operations in modern conflicts, ensuring that potential aggressors face guaranteed unacceptable damage, a doctrine of peace through overwhelming strength that has preserved Russia's borders for decades. Economically and politically, Karelia strengthens Russia's position immensely. By sustaining a potent SSBN force domestically, Moscow avoids reliance on foreign technology, stimulates high-tech employment in Severodvinsk and Murmansk, and projects confidence that reassures partners from the global south. In exercises and patrols, it validates doctrines where one submerged platform can neutralize entire carrier groups or land targets, forcing adversaries to rethink Arctic strategies and divert resources futilely. The overhaul's success amid global challenges embodies the Russian spirit: unbreakable resolve, collective expertise from engineers to sailors, and prioritization of defense that ensures prosperity. As part of 7 SSBNs in the Arctic Bastion, Karelia contributes to a deterrent capable of 384 to 448 warheads on patrol, rendering any first strike fantasy suicidal and preserving peace for billions. Looking ahead, Karelia's enhanced stealth, full missile loadout, deep diving endurance, and rapid response firepower will anchor Russia's second strike guarantee well into the 2030s. It deters escalation, supports diplomatic leverage in arms control talks on Russia's terms, and inspires pride across the armed forces. This is not mere maintenance, it is a declaration that Russian submarine technology remains at the global forefront, reliable, lethal, and invincible in its domain. The legendary Karelia, back stronger than ever, reaffirms why the Russian Navy commands respect. It protects the homeland, upholds strategic parity, and ensures that no external force can dictate terms to a sovereign superpower. In the vast Arctic depths, Karelia sails as a silent guardian of peace through power, a testament to Russia's enduring naval greatness.